Please subscribe and like so that you won't miss follow-up on this stock and other market opportunities. I explain stock ideas that has great potential under 3 minutes, and let's get right into today's topic. Shares of Canopy Growth were up 13.56% today on October 8, 2020, and closed at $17.63. Canopy Growth, headquartered in Smiths Falls, Canada, cultivates and sells medicinal and recreational cannabis and hemp through a portfolio of brands that include Tweed, Therapeutics, and CraftGrow. Although it primarily operates in Canada, Canopy has distribution and production licenses in more than a dozen countries to drive expansion in global medical cannabis and also holds an option to acquire acreage holdings upon U.S. federal cannabis legalization. Canopy Growth has been a disappointment to Canopy stockholders for several years. But there is a reason to believe that Canopy Growth is around the tipping point wherein the company will finally turn into a rapidly growing profitable giant in the booming cannabis space. Data from Pew Research Center shows that the percentage of Americans who support nationwide legalization has steadily risen from around 30% in the 1990s to nearly 70% today. This year, 11 states have legalized marijuana for adults 21 and over, while 33 states allow it for medical use. Legislation in Congress is moving very close to legalizing marijuana nationwide. The Marijuana Opportunity, Reinvestment and Expungement Act came within inches of a House vote last month in September. House Democrats have temporarily delayed it until the loop is closed on a stalled COVID-19 relief package, the concern being bad optics before Election Day. In 2018, Canada became the first G7 and G20 nation to legalize the cultivation, possession, acquisition and consumption of cannabis and its byproducts. In 2020, Canada is finally figuring out how to turn robust demand for cannabis into a booming market. The rest of the world will follow that blueprint. The global legalization and destigmatization of cannabis is coming, and when it does arrive, the global legal cannabis market will be huge thanks to robust demand for the drug. Canopy Growth has enormous upside potential as the global cannabis market finally comes into its own. Please like and subscribe to help this video reach more smart investors like you. No one can make better decision for you than yourself, and this is not an investment recommendation.